Today we will discuss about how to use Parallel Conduits tool in Revit. First, I welcome all my friends on my educational channel. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get new videos. Like and share also. When you are working in a project on electrical or telecommunication system, then in order to provide services, you must run a lot of conduits vertically or horizontally on a certain distances. Parallel Conduits tool is used to run these conduits, in which you control a particular conduit size at a particular horizontal or vertical distance. To understand this tool, we create a new project, so you can see its controls both vertically and horizontally. The Parallel Conduits tool is in the Electrical panel of System tab. After selecting this tool, some options for controlling the parallel conduits appear in the Modified tab. The above row shows the conduit horizontal number and its offset. That is, the horizontal number of conduits and how far you want to keep the conduit from center to center. And from the second row, the vertical number of conduits and conduit center to center distance can be maintained. With this, we get two options in conduit bend. By using the first option, the bend radius remains the same. And with the second concentric bend radius option, the radius size gets bigger according to distance. First, we check its control by giving horizontal number 2, and we choose the same bend radius option. On which conduit you move the cursor will run the parallel. If you want to run the conduit system, press the tab button on the conduit. The conduit system will be selected together. With the cursor, you must give the conduit location inside or outside. The conduit will be placed at that location on the side you mouse click on, and the bend radius will also remain the same. Now we understand this tool by giving the vertical number 2. Also select the concentric bend radius option. A conduit is selected by moving the cursor like before, and the conduit system is selected from the tab button. The bend radius is also increased according to the conduit to conduit distance. Enter the number of vertical or horizontal conduits at the required distance in the Modified tab. Select the same bend or concentric bend radius option and design it as per project requirements. So, this is our today's Parallel Conduits tool topic in Revit. I hope that you understand this tool. Stay tuned for more educational videos. BIM Talks.